Hello students, this is the second video for mathematical reasoning. We were discussing about some important points. Now, few important points you will try to understand in this video. The first important point is in this video, that is logical variables. Logical variables. In the study of logic, statements are represented by lowercase letters such as small p, small q, small r, etc., etc. These letters are called logical variables. For example, there is a statement, the sun is a star. It may be denoted by small p, such that the sun is a star. See another example, 14 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. This is an statement, and this statement may be represented at q, such that 14 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. These are the logical variables. Now, second important point of this video, quantifiers. The symbol stands for all. This symbol is known as for all. And this symbol stands for there exist, are known as quantifiers. Listen again, these symbols, this symbol and these symbols, they have their own meaning. This symbol stands for all and this symbol stands for there exists, are known as quantifiers. Third point related these quantified statements. Quantified statements. The statement containing quantifiers are known as quantified statements. In mathematics, x square is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. It is a quantified statement. It is a quantified statement. Now, we will try to understand another point, that is compound statements. If a statement is combination of two or more simple statements, then it is said to be a compound statement. For example, the earth is round and the sun is cold. This statement is the combination of two simple statements. First, the earth is round, and the second, the sun is cold. In combined form, you may write the earth is round and the sun is cold. So, this is a compound statement. My dear, few very important points you have to try to understand related this mathematical reasoning. Points are basic logical connectives or logical operators. You may read connectives or you may say logical operators. What are logical connectives or you may say logical operators? The phrases or words which connect simple sentence are called logical connectives or logical operators. Listen again, the phrases or words which connect simple statements are called logical connectives or logical operators. Here some possible connectives and they are simple. First one, For and, you may write like this or like this. If dot then, this symbol may be used for this, or you may use this. If and only if, in you may write like this also. If and only if there is a symbol for this, or you may write not. This type of symbol may be used for not. And is the conjunction or disjunction. If and then, this is the implication or conditional statements. If and only if, that is the equivalence, not for negation. These are the basic logical connectives. Okay.